Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel English Superstars. Today we are going to have a very short and interesting crisp video about story time. You know that today a reader is tomorrow's leader because reading gives you a lot of information about what's going around you. Reading is a way for me to expand my mind, open my eyes and fill up my heart. Yes, that's correct. So always remember, reading always gives you a lot of experience and information about the things going around you. Today's story is The Ugly Duckling. We are going to read the story together. It's in the past form and there is a moral lesson towards the end of the story. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Mummy Duck lived on a farm. In her nest she had 5 little eggs and 1 big egg. One day, the 5 little eggs started to crack. Tap, tap, tap. 5 pretty yellow baby ducklings came out. Then the big egg started to crack. Bang, bang, bang. 1 big ugly duckling came out. That's strange, thought Mummy Duck. Nobody wanted to play with him. Go away, said his brothers and sisters. You're ugly. The ugly duckling was sad, so he went to find some new friends. Go away, said the sheep. Go away, said the cow. Go away, said the horse. No one wanted to be his friend. It started to get cold. It started to snow. The ugly duckling found an empty barn and lived there. He was cold, sad and alone. Then spring came. The ugly duckling left the barn and went back to pond. He was very thirsty and put his beak into the water. He saw a beautiful white bird. Wow, he said. Who's that? It's you, said another beautiful white bird. Me? But I am an ugly duckling. Not anymore. You are a beautiful swan, like me. Do you want to be my friend? Yes, he smiled. All the other animals watched as the 2 swans flew away. Friends forever. Moral: you cannot judge a person by his appearance, because appearances are deceptive. Remember, it doesn't matter how you look. You should be beautiful inside and out. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.